Welcome to this lesson, guys. Today we're gonna draw this very simple city landscape, and this time we're gonna draw a third element on the background. Now let's get started. To begin this lesson again, select the typical 6B pencil, the size 100% and the color to black. The first step, as always, is this simple line. Alright. Now, let's draw the building in the middle. Straight line like this. Now triangular shape like this. Finish the triangle like on this side. And now the straight line. To finish this main shape. Now, leave some space here. And again, triangular shape and straight line. Do the same and on the right. See? Very easy. Now let's draw some windows and door. For the door I will use some arc. Very interesting shape. For the windows, same story. Start with this shape and finish it with an arc. Let's draw a couple of more. We can fit 3 here, so draw 3 shapes and finish them with oval. Now smaller ones like this. The same as this. And 2 more here. The same. Finish it with an arc. And the last window here. Now I don't like this, and how to fix it? Go to the eraser, sketching, and pick the 6B pencil. Delete this part. Above. Let's try to draw another arc. This one is much better. Again, I will erase this. And we're done with the simple building. Now our next step is to draw some trees. Start with a circle and one simple stroke. Draw the same circle and a stroke. Now this time the shape for the tree will be much different. Something like this. And again, stroke. Do the same and on this side. The shape is something like a fire. Start like this and finish it with this shape. These are the trees, and now I will draw some bushes. Like this. To make it more symmetrical, I will delete this part here. And leave the same space like this one. Now take the arrow and place your drawing here in the center, but on the bottom half. Alright. Now let's create new layer for the back buildings. Take some gray color, like this one, and let's draw the back buildings. Like this. Leave some space here. Don't draw it to the end. Leave some space. Now a couple more like this one. And when we're done with this, now let's add some details. Here on the roof, another rectangular shape. You can add some wires. And for the windows effect, I will just add some lines. Like this. We don't need nothing more. I'm using the wavy line technique. Because it's fast and organic. And here we're done. And with the back buildings. We can add one more layer and lower the gray to even less visible. And if the color is the same gray like this one, you can always bring the opacity down to 20%. There we go. And this will be our simple illustration here for the city landscape. I hope you like it, and I will see you in the next lesson.